evening, good morning, good day, afternoon, wherever you are. This is Coach Sam, the trainer at Digital ADVERTS Limited, Uganda. Alright, we are in the month of December, and I'm recording specifically this one for the month of December. At Digital, you can call them shareholders at Digital ADVERTS application. I believe you know well how Digital ADVERTS works, the benefits of Digital ADVERTS. To recap for you a little bit, Digital ADVERTS have only 5 products, and among our products we have advertisement, whereby every advert you watch, you will be earning money. Number 2, we have company profiling, whereby you profile companies, and each company linked to profile with us, you will earn 15%. Profiling fee is 1 million every year, so you earn 150,000 per company linked profile with us. Number 3, we have e-commerce. E-commerce is whereby we shall be buying and selling online, but when you buy anything on our application, you'll be getting the products at almost factory price, but at the same point we shall be giving you back 10% cashback. Number 4, it is the company survey. Companies need to get feedback from its clients, so once a company wants to conduct a research, it will give us a questionnaire on the application. Every member of Digital ADVERTS who fills and participates in the survey will earn money every feedback he sends. And number 5 is utility bills. Remember, everyone pays utility bills like airtime, water, electricity, TV, etc. If you use our application, you don't incur transaction charges. It is 0 charges, and at the same time we give you 3% cashback. So that is Digital ADVERTS. But now we have this campaign. We are looking for founding members because our advertising and e-commerce and survey will start next year, January towards. Then the people who are joining us right now before the adverts start, we are calling them founding members. These founding members, they have special benefits in the system. Benefit 1, they have a unique badge of honor of a founding member. Benefit number 2, they earn 2% on the 4th generation referral commission. In the plan, we only give referral commission up to 3 levels, whereby you earn 40,000 on the first level, that's the person you brought. If that person brings someone that is 2nd generation, you earn 15%, that is 15,000. For the 3rd generation, you earn 5%, that is 5,000. That's where the referral commission stops. But if you are a founding member of Digital ADVERTS, you will earn even on the 4th generation 2%. That is 2,000 shilling on every person who joins Digital ADVERTS in your network at the 4th generation. Benefit number 3, you will earn 3% of all adverts watched in your 5th generation. If people are watching adverts in your network, every advert they watch, you will be making 3%. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine you have 10,000 people under you, and they are watching adverts worth 10 millions maybe, and you earn only 3%. You can calculate and you see how much money you can be making as a founding member. Benefit number 4, you'll be earning a 0.4% on every utility bill paid in the 5 generations. If people are paying their airtime, paying their water bills, paying their TV subscriptions, paying their car, electricity, every amount they pay, you earn 0.4%. Imagine you have 10,000 people and they are all spending on airtime, data, electricity, water, TV, etc. How much could you make in a month? Too much money. Benefit number 6 or 5, I don't remember. It is earn 1% on every company profiled in 5 generation. Remember, profiling fee is 1 million, so it means 1%, that is 10,000 from every company that profiles in your 5 generations. That is a founding member. But at the same time, in the same period of time, We are also looking for VIP founding members. A VIP founding member brings 10 people, 10 founding members directly. You bring 10 people within this period of time, and that is you have 10 founding members under you, direct referral. Guess what? You become a VIP. Benefits: you get number 1, VIP owner badge. Number 2, you will be earning 1% on the 5th generation referral commission. Remember, in the ordinary plan, people earn referral commission up to 3 levels, 5K. A founding member goes up to the 4th generation, whereby they earn 2%, that is 2,000. But if you are a VIP founding member, you earn even on the 5th generation, that is 1%, 1,000 on the 5th generation. Okay, benefit number 3, you earn 1% on every e-commerce done in your 5 generations. Remember, people will be buying stuff online, electronics, tickets, cars, etc. And guess what? Everything they buy in your 5 generations will be earning 1%. This campaign ends on the 31st of December at 11:59 on 31st December. That's when it will be closing. If we enter January 1st, 2022, we shall not be having new founding members. We shall not be having new VIP members. Everyone who will join us starting January 1st will be an ordinary user of digital adverts. We call upon you, if you listen to this audio, register your account, activate it right now before 31st December, 11:59 p.m. God bless you. This is Coach Zion. Love you. If you have any question, please, I will be glad to answer. You can ask the person who sent you this audio, or you can directly talk to me. That person who sent the audio can give you my number. We talk about the ADVERTS limited. God bless you. Remain Coach Zion at Digital ADVERTS.